good morning. It is December 6th. What time is it? It's 8:07. I'm up early this morning, my job. This week, it's a slow season for braiders, so I've really been trying to like pick up on my content and kind of like, make this my full time. Please, Jesus. Yeah, today I'm gonna blow dry my hair because I have a trip going to Jamaica December 16th. I'm really excited for that. So I was supposed to make a hair appointment for myself. I want treatment, self-care, or to be serviced by someone for once. But I didn't let that happen because I'm very picky with my hair. Like, if I could find somebody who was my twin and braided just like me, I literally feel like I'll have like the best experience, and we're not there yet. Haven't found it. So this blow dryer, it has really helped me a lot, and I think it's about my third or fourth time using it, and as I use it more, I found like easier ways to do it. So I'm gonna try and share those tips with you guys, and yeah, we're gonna make it shake. We'll get started with this. I feel like every time I come on here, I have a bonnet on. Like, girl, I had sat in with deep. Ooh, my hair's still wet. That's crazy. I had sat in with deep conditioner last night, or no, yesterday night, the day before last night. Do you get what I mean? The night before last? There we go. And I rinsed it out yesterday at like 3 o'clock. My hair is still wet. I'm gonna go in and put some oil on my scalp first before I do like much of anything. Everybody has been raving about this yall oil. And honestly, you guys, I don't know. Maybe I don't use it on the daily, but people say it's the truth, and I don't know. I'm not a person who's like really consistent. So, and there's like, when I use oil, I use like olive oil or like avocado oil, like something that comes with a lot of oil, because I mean I have a lot of scalp, so I feel like this oil isn't gonna do too much. All over the line so that I get some moisture going. It's probably gonna get hot. So I'm also gonna go in with the heat protectant. This is the Chi 44 Iron Guard heat protectant thermal spray. And I'm gonna spray my root. And then we're gonna start the machine. So as I take my braid down, I'm gonna tell you guys the settings. So the highest setting on this one is number 7. And then I do it on the warm or hot setting. It just depends. I switch. So, and sometimes I forget which one is warm, which one is hot. So yeah. So you guys know how there's 3 sections, like, because when you braid you have like pretty much 3 sections. I'm going to blow dry this braid in sections, so we're gonna focus on this part. I'm gonna put some heat protectant on it, and then I'm just gonna like briefly comb through it, and then we're gonna start up the machine. So y'all see that? Love that for me. And y'all see the length? That's be the crazy part for me. Crazy. So yeah, I'm just gonna repeat this. I do this for about 40 I do this for about 40 seconds on medium to high heat, and I kind of like switch between those heat settings. Yeah, you just repeat, and yeah, so I'll have you guys watch me. I'll probably do this whole section, then I'll meet you guys like when I'm more at the top. I'm talking. Hey y'all, so I opened the blind spider here. It's 9:19, so I'm at this corner. I finished everything else. working at the top half now, or top fourth, I don't know. Anyway, this is gonna be 3 sections. This is 1 section and then 2 sections up here. Same thing I've been doing, spraying the root, then detangling. Well, I'll spray again, then detangle. I left it on my hair for about 30 seconds. For the most part, you can literally part through it, you know, and it's easy. Like, I'm literally finger parting. I'm parting with the comb now. I will say that, like, as an honest review, it's really not decreasing my time in half. The only thing that is the best about it is it's making the blow drying process less labor, as far as, like, you know, hand movement, and, you know, if you have thick hair, it's very tiring. The other con about it is that this is a little heavy, so my arm gets tired of being up here. If you need a straighter blow dryer or a straighter blow dryer for any reason, I'd recommend, if you buy this, you keep it. I mean, keep your old blow dryer. What I do is, because you'll see it'll get straighter in a few seconds by me doing this. I literally hold it on the root for 5 seconds on high heat, and then I just go down the rest. So wow. And that's literally all that I do to, like, get it a little bit straighter. For the most part, like, at the end of the video, I'm gonna let you guys know who I recommend it for, because at the end of the day, this blow dryer is like $350, just by itself without the package. Like, the total pack, they give you like a comb, extra like equipment for this and stuff like that. I'll tell you guys at the end who I think it's for and if you should buy it, and I also have a code at the end. But if you're already sold on it, Janelle Alana 10 is the code for you to get, I believe, 10% off. Oh my god, y'all, the front of my hair is so unhealthy. It is literally hurting my feelings. So I had trimmed my hair the other day, like literally 2 weeks ago, and I trimmed a lot of the front section, and it's still, like, my front half of my hair needs to be cut. Like, I want to say right here is everything I need to let go. And my hair is so long in the back but so short in the front, like, it's hurting me. So I have to literally trim my hair every 2 to 3 months, like, for real, if I want to see any type of growth. Yeah, y'all, so we made it to the end of the video. Like I said, I've said this before in another video, I definitely recommend this for moms who have girls and they have, like, extremely thick hair, because it does work really well for type 4 hair. Definitely recommend it for them. I recommend it for stylists. I wouldn't really recommend it for people who have loose curls, just because it's for everybody, not gonna lie, it's for everybody. But I feel, I don't know, I can't really speak for other people though. So yeah, this is my hair, and look, this side is longer than this side. I'm dead. What am I doing to myself? Yeah, I at this point need to get layers at this point. But yeah, I'm gonna leave my hair like this. I'll probably put on the screen like what my hair looks like with it all blown out. But yeah, I definitely recommend it for the moms. I recommend it for hairstylists. I definitely think that it is extremely beneficial. I would just work on, like, the equipment, something to better, like, execute the roots so that I don't feel like I have to go over it, because my roots are thick. They're very thick, and I feel like in order for me to get better use out of the blow dryer, I'd have to do even smaller sections than what I did. And I feel like the sections that I did like this one is a big section, but I literally split this in 3 sections, so I feel like that was pretty small. So that's the only thing. But I say it like I'm disappointed, but this is just like feedback and critique. Other than that, like, I'm grateful for the less labor, and that's really like the best thing that we could ask for when it's time for us to style and do our hair. So now I finished like part 2 or part 3, which is wash, deep condition, and blow dry. So I'm on the blow dry section. Now it's time for me to style. That's my review again. I just always review this because it is a really great essential to add to your natural hair care. And I also have a code for you guys that is useful, so you can get, I believe, 10% off. I'm not really sure, but it's Janelle Alana 10, so I believe the 10 means 10% off. Make sure you support, like, subscribe, send it to a friend. Maybe you've been wanting to gift this to your mom or your grandmother, maybe a sister or something like that. This is a really, really nice gift to give to someone. So yeah, you guys, I will see you guys in the next video. Talk to you soon. Bye. The sun is shining.